Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, My Reviews, and today I have some very interesting news to share with you guys. And without any further ado, let's begin. We all know that Samsung has been teasing for its flexible phone for over a year, but we recently have got some news and some leaks about some other company launching their foldable smartphone like Xiaomi, which I also mentioned a video on. If you have not checked it yet, then the link will be in the cards and description below. You check it from there about the concept of their folding smartphone. And now Huawei is also in the race. A week ago, Huawei's Consumer Business Group CEO Richard Yu straight off confirmed that the company will be showing off its own foldable smartphone on this year's MWC in the last week of February. This would directly compete with Samsung's long-awaited reveal of its own Galaxy Fold. If you need any further confirmation, Huawei just threw its hat into the ring. The company posted an official to its pre-MWC event on the Twitter profile, which is also shown at your display. And this is it for today, guys. So hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, then please give it thumbs up, share, and also subscribe to the channel if you have not done it yet, and hit the bell icon to get notified about this kind of update, recent and first on YouTube. So till my next video, peace.